Good morning dear students. Today we are going to discuss about some important topics about psychiatric. Here we are going to classify psychiatric disorder, mental disorder in classification of mental disorder or mental illness in major two parts. First one is known as psychosis and second one is known as neurosis. Now that psychosis is further divides into major two portion. First one is organic psychosis and second one is functional psychosis. Now see these organic psychosis here divides into major two parts. First one is delirium and second one is dementia. Now what is delirium? The delirium is acute brain disorder or syndrome, and these affect consciousness. Okay, now what is dementia? That is chronic brain disorder or syndrome. Chronic brain disorder or syndrome, and that affects memory as well as intellectuality of person. Okay, now what is functional? Then this functional psychosis divides into major two portion. First one is schizophrenia and second one is mood affecting disorders. Okay, now see what is schizophrenia. So that is split personality or split of mind, matlab it means dividation of mind. That schizophrenia divides into further 7 part. First one is PHCRUSP. Mnemonic is PHCRUSP. P for paranoid schizophrenia, H for heavy phrenic schizophrenia, C for catatonic schizophrenia, R for residual schizophrenia, U for undifferentiated schizophrenia, S for simple schizophrenia, and P for post schizophrenia depression. Okay, this schizophrenia will discuss in next video in detail. Now what is mood affecting disorder? So here mood affecting disorder further divides into two parts. First one is mania and second one is depression. Okay, what is mania? Mania is nothing but elevation of mood, and just opposite of mania, that is depression, means sadness of mood. Now if it is a fusion of combo of mania as well as depression, then it is known as BPMD. What is BPMD? that is bipolar mood disorder. Now we will discuss about neurosis. Neurosis is further divides into 5 portions, and for that there is a mnemonic ad hoc. A for anxiety psychosis, anxiety neurosis, D for depressive neurosis, H for hysterical neurosis, O for obsessive compulsive neurosis, and last one P for phobic neurosis. That's all. I hope you had liked this video. Please share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.